What's up, folks? Here we go again. I kinda love it, to be true. By the way, today's topic is cold exposure. In my case, cold showers, at least now, during the summer. In winter, cold exposure. I remember when I started, I didn't expect it's gonna be how it's gonna be. Surprisingly, I liked it. And I basically stick to this habit until today. I'm glad for it because for the benefits it gave me. That's what I'm gonna share with you today, these benefits. And this whole experience which I had, I remember that, I started with basic cold showers until cold shower wasn't cold enough for me. Then I took it to extremes, mainly during the winter. I was like swimming outside in the middle of January. Temperature was -10 degrees Celsius. And I was swimming out there whilst people were watching me shivering with cold. And I was like, fuck it, let's go for it. The hardest part is before you step into water. It's part when you have to kind of motivate yourself to make this big step. So you're like standing there doing a breathing exercise. Pumping your chest, doing push-ups, and shouting out loud some motivation stuff. Then you jump into a river, cold as hell, and you stay there for about a minute. This upcoming winter, I hope there will be enough snow and ice out there to experience the same. I would like to experiment a little and stay there a little bit longer to see what's gonna happen. When I stayed there for about that 1 minute, I felt amazing, awesome. It was an awesome experience. My head was absolutely clear. No thoughts. You were just there in a moment. Just perfect state of mind. I wish you experience the same. Just try it out. Even if you have only a cold shower, try it out. Cold showers are number one thing I prefer to do early in the morning because of its benefits. When I do this, I feel, for first, more energetic. For second, present, much more present. I'm basically able to focus on one thing and work on it for hours. Of course, without interruptions or some form of distractions. So, mobile phone out and any other distraction out of the room, because it's time to work. This is my saint time of the day. And that's basically all. That's why I do it, after all. This click, this change in your mood is awesome, amazing. You're feeling lazy, then you take a cold shower and from nowhere you're happy and basically boosted with this energy that you can apply to your task, to the task of a day. Again, you have to try it out to see what will happen. Otherwise, you wouldn't know. If it's safe, you shouldn't be afraid to experiment a little. Cold shower isn't gonna kill you. It's just a little bit of discomfort, a little small step out of a comfort zone. So that's the whole point of cold showers. In my case, in my opinion, to make yourself more productive, more wanting to do the hard things in the morning, and to not be lazy. That's how it worked for me. And it may work for you either, but you gotta try.